This is Fiorella from Any House Cleaning, and this is a move out. I came here last Tuesday, I guess, before the renters move out to another state. They asked me for a complete deep cleaning move out for a management company. Actually, they are paying me, but the job will be for the management company. This is a complete move out, and they want to get back the deposit. A lot of trash here. We bring the van to put all the trash inside and go to the landfill today and throw it out. The condition of the house is in really bad shape. It's really sad that you cannot smell, but I'm gonna record the way that you maybe will figure it out. The smell. There was cats here and dogs. A lot of dust. This is behind the washer and dryer. I'm gonna try to record slowly. The floor, did you see here? This is pee, dog pee. The house smells really bad. I already have my glove here. Windows needs to be clean. Sometimes when I record, it's hard to see the surface and it's dusty, but when you actually see the dust, like right now, it's because it's really hairy, really dusty. In video, you cannot see exactly what it is, but this is the perfect house to record. This is a perfect house to show you exactly what we are dealing with. We are capable of doing a really heavy duty cleaning. This cleaning needs sanitizing, a really disinfectant and tile and grout cleaning. You cannot expect to clean with Clorox and a mop. This is more heavy duty, and we have all the equipment for that. They left some things here. Everything is dusty. Ceiling fans, light fixtures. Even in the ceiling there are dust. A lot of pet hair. The grout is yellow. It smells really bad. A lot of cobwebs and dust on the corners. The window track is bad, hairy windows. Everything is in really bad condition. The tile and the grout is yellow. This is the master room. It smells really bad. This is the carpet where we have to clean and try to remove some stains. I have all the equipment. This is a big, huge stain. A lot of vacuums, pee, yellow stains here. It smells really strong. But they want to do a deep cleaning in order to not only get the deposit back. It's not that. It's the management company won't charge for the carpets. So they prefer to hire us because we are a multi-service cleaning company here in Central Florida. We normally do maintenance, deep cleaning, move out, housekeeping. We do eviction homes, new construction, after remodeling, heavy duty. This is what I'm called heavy duty. This is the glass window. I don't want to imagine. Okay, let me open. We have to clean that too. And we have all the equipment. I have a truck mount, tile cleaner, tile floor spinner, a scrubber, air scrubber. This is the shower. A lot of pet hair stick. A lot of pet hair stick on the floor. Bathroom cabinets, hairy, more hair. Smells really bad. Super heavy. Vacuum here. I'm not gonna use our regular vacuum. I'm gonna use for this type of job. Put here, garbage stains, really bad. I will use our Ecolab cleaning caddy or chalk bag. This is another room. A lot of trash. This is a baby room, ha. A lot of baby things here. I have until next Sunday, I guess, or they need to return the boxes, okay? They need to give the key to the management company next week. This is the reason why I'm coming. Today is Tuesday. Do you see the tile grout here? And it's not dirty, it's pee stains. This is another room here. It smells strong. Do you see the walls need to be vacuumed? And it has a strong odor here. Check this out. I love this kind of job. I really enjoy it. You may think I'm crazy. No, I'm not crazy. It's that I like it. I like to be unique. I like to offer more. I like heavy stuff. I like when something is really bad. The walls, the top of the closet door, and then you will see a clean surface. That's what I like. Most of the time, what I like about my job is sanitizing. This is the reason why I do vapor steamer, heavy duty. Another bathroom here. I like to sanitize things. What? I have to shut up. Somebody's calling me right now. It's Elizabeth. She's calling me right now. So let me pick up the phone. The tile. A lot of bed here. On top of that thing, I need a big ladder, double ceiling fans. Okay, this is Fiorella from Any House Cleaning. I already bring some stuff. First of all, I spray some flea carpet because we don't know if there was dogs and cats. I don't know if the house has fleas, so I have to protect myself. I already put some on us. I'm gonna help Hilda to put some garbage inside the car. We will record later. Thank you for watching. Fiorella from anyhousecleaning.com. 407-572-4118. Bye.